To create a Skrill account in Sri Lanka, start by going to the Skrill website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some personal details such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to secure your account. Next, you will need to provide your country of residence, which in this case is Sri Lanka, and your currency, which is the Sri Lankan rupee. You will also be asked to provide your address and phone number. Once you have filled out the registration form, click on the Create Account button. You will then receive an email from Skrill to verify your email address. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. After verifying your email address, you will need to verify your identity. This is a mandatory step to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. You will need to upload a copy of your national identity card or passport, as well as a proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. To fund your Skrill account, you can use a variety of payment methods such as a credit or debit card, or a bank transfer. Make sure to check the fees associated with each payment method before making a deposit. It is also important to note that Skrill has some restrictions and limits on transactions. So make sure to check the Skrill website for the most up-to-date information. Additionally, be aware of the exchange rates and fees associated with converting your Sri Lankan rupees to other currencies. By following these steps, you can create a Skrill account in Sri Lanka and start using it to make online transactions. Remember to always keep your account information and password secure, and to only use reputable and trustworthy websites when making online transactions. It is also recommended to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This will help to prevent unauthorized access to your account and protect your funds. In conclusion, creating a Skrill account in Sri Lanka is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and verification steps. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a secure and reliable Skrill account to make online transactions.